Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your previous history in Microsoft Copilot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to Microsoft Copilot in your web browser. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a panel that contains various options and features for navigating through Copilot. This is your main navigation hub where you can access different aspects of your Copilot experience. Now in that left panel, locate and click on Chats to expand this section. This option is specifically designed to give you access to all your previous conversations and interactions with Copilot. It's essentially your conversation archive, storing everything you've discussed with the AI assistant over time. Once you click on Chats, the panel will expand and reveal all of your previous history. You'll see a complete list of your past conversations organized chronologically, making it easy to browse through what you've worked on before. Each entry represents a different chat session, so you can quickly scan through and identify the conversation you're looking for. If you have a lot of previous chats and don't want to scroll through everything manually, there's a much faster way to find what you need. Look for the search icon within this section and click on it. This search functionality allows you to enter specific keywords or topics related to the conversation you're trying to locate. It's incredibly useful when you remember discussing something specific but can't recall exactly when it happened. Once you've found the conversation you're looking for, simply click on it. This will open up that particular chat and display the entire conversation about that topic. You'll be able to see all the messages, responses, and any information exchanged during that session, allowing you to review or continue from where you left off. And that's it. You've now accessed your previous history in Microsoft Copilot, making it easy to revisit past conversations whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.